Hello everyone, welcome back to TechTube. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fade out video in CapCut. To get started, launch CapCut. Import your video to the timeline. Then click on Edit option and select Animation option from the menu. Now here you will see many options to fade in, out or to fade combo. Now in order to fade out, select out and add any effects you want. Now it's all done, you are good to go.
If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in next video. Goodbye till then.